Hi, my name is Baroudi. I'm a senior marketing and sustainability student at BGSU, and my role at the zoo is leadership development intern. When I saw the job opportunity back in last fall, I just thought it would be a perfect place to work. Just seeing that opportunity and have it match up perfectly with my field has really been a blessing. Being able to do conservation marketing here at the zoo has really built on my passion for conservation marketing. I built a strong relationship with multiple people here at the zoo. One is Dr. Matt Cross, my boss. Just being able to learn about what he does in his everyday work with conservation has been great. A lot of my professors come from owning a business or working in a business for a long time. So I feel like they've really got that field experience to give me the confidence to do so. Especially in my marketing classes, I learn about all the different marketing strategies and the complexity of really getting to your audience. And then that's exactly what I was doing here at the zoo with the sturgeon program. What we decided to do was label a bunch of different items and make them safe for the fish while also looking like trash, and then just throw them in the tank and have the kids go up to the tank, learn about each item, and then take the items out and either put them in the recycling bin or the trash bin. And my hope from that is they'll be happy to clean the actual environment outside of the zoo and be passionate about their conservation moving forward. I'd say my proudest moment has been finally seeing the sturgeon tank up and running with the trash. A lot of work go into that program, and finally seeing the kids in there interacting with the trash and being able to recycle themselves has been really great. So it is really cool, being down in BGSU and having this world-renowned zoo just 25 minutes north. Being able to have that resource and that connection from the university to the zoo has been great.